Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Vicky here. How are you all doing? Welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious black soup. So this soup originates from Benin City, like Edo State. This is their local dish. Without further ado, let's begin. So to begin, we will need washed bitter leaves. I have washed my bitter leaves and that's what I'm going to use. I'm also going to use uziza leaves. It's also known as hot leaves. I've washed and sliced them. Then lastly, I'm adding scent leaves. So what we're going to do is we add in all our leaves, these three of them, and then we're going to process the leaves. Like we're going to blend them. So I'm adding a cup of water. I'm also adding sliced pepper and onions. So basically I'm going to blend this, and once I am done blending it, we'll move to the next stage. So for the next stage, in a pot I'm going to put in my palm nut juice. This is also known as banga juice. So I'm using 2 bowls of that. Once I'm done adding it in, I put on my heat and begin adding my fish. So I'll add my washed fish and stock fish. Next I'll add my pomo and goat meat. You can use any meat product of your choice. Next I'm adding my native spice. I'm also adding ogiri. I'll also add black pepper, seasoning cubes, I'm adding crayfish. I'm going to add a lot of that and allow it to cook. And next I'm going to add in the leaves. So I've blended the leaves and added them in, and basically this is too much for my pot, so I'm going to change my pot into a bigger one. So this is going to cook. I'll allow it to cook and boil down until the water is settled, and then I'll add periwinkles. So this is supposed to cook till it thickens. So I'll just give it a good stir and cook further. I'll add salt to taste. Stir. So while that is cooking, I'll go ahead and make my poundo. Actually, the native swallow for black soup is starch, but at the moment I don't have starch. I don't even know how to make it, so I'm using poundo. So we're going to allow the soup cook and thicken. Like the water is going to boil down and it's going to thicken. So that's basically the long process of the black soup. That's the longest process, and once that is done, the food is ready. So take a look at this yummy black soup and my poundo, and I enjoyed it with my poundo. It was delicious, it was really nice and satisfying and healing as well because of the native leaves. So give this a try. Let me know guys if you enjoyed it. Give me a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Until my next one, bye y'all.